Hello students, myself Muttura JNP, working as assistant professor in the Department of Mechanical Engineering at Vidyardhaka College of Engineering, Mysuru 2. Now I will explain you people about the thermal resistance in the spherical body. This is the spherical body element that we can take to derive the three-dimensional equation, but a three-dimensional equation derivation is not there in the syllabus. Even though just for your observation, the three dimension in the three direction you can find the curve like this. The curves will be the sine theta d phi r d theta. You can find in the online also. This kind of element is available. So this is the spherical body, which is a shell of solid material. Here you have the fluid. Outside also you have the fluid or a solid material, a fluid, whatever the material will be there. Here inside you will have the heat transfer coefficient Hi, outside coefficient H0, and then thermal conductivity K. This is having the thermal radius R1, R2, Hi, H0, Ti, T1, T2, T0. T1 is the temperature at this particular point, T2 is the temperature at this particular point, Ti is the temperature of the fluid. Heat will be transferred like this. Now we have to go for the heat transfer analysis. Note on this sketch properly. This is very important sketch. Heat transfer from the fluid to outside, from inside to outside. This is R1. You need not to consider R2. Therefore, R thermal resistance it is equal to 1 divided by 4 pi R1 square. Keeping in mind radius of the sphere is 4 pi R1 square, R square into have the Hi. This is the heat transfer. Convective heat transfer coefficient will be from the inside is 4 pi R1 square Hi. Similarly, due to the solid material R1, R2, both the things you have to consider. T1, T2 temperature. In the sketch only you note down conduction. So equation will be 4 pi K R1, R2 of T1 minus T2 divided by R1, R2. This the derivation can be derived by using the three-dimensional equation. That is need to be integrated, and then you want to take the constant C1 and C2, all the things, and then finally will be arrived with the equation Q is equal to 4 pi K R1 R2 of T1 minus T2 divided by R1 R2 minus R1. Outside T2 R2 will be there. The 4 pi H0 R0 square of T2 minus T0 divided by 1 by, this is the convective heat transfer coefficient H0. Thermal convective resistance outside, and then this is internal thermal convective resistance, external thermal convective resistance, then this is the thermal conductance resistance. All put together Ti, T1, T2, T0. Convective in, out, Ti, T0. R convective resistance in, it is T1 you can get from the formula like this. T1 thermal T1 if you know, this one you know, this one you know, you can get the value of T2. Similarly T0 you can find, T0 will be given in usually, otherwise you can use the logic to find the any values. If you know the concept, you can find the things.